First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Welcome to today's vlog, guys. Today we're going to chuck on the Archer onto the trailer. We're going to take it down to get weighed. And we're going to do a difference on stripped interior and non-stripped interior. So we're going to weigh it before we strip it, and then we'll weigh it after we stripped it out to the drift spec thing and see what it does. So see what we do. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here at Adrian's scrap metal, just in Molandina. We're not scrapping the AU. Not for that. We're just going to weigh it. They've got the weigh bridge, so pay a price, weigh the car before we strip it, and we'll come back later on and weigh it after we've stripped out what we would call drift ready strip out. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we just weighed the car. It came in just over 1.6 tonne. That's 1,600 kg for those people not good with numbers. We're going to get it back to the shop, pull out all the interior that we classify as drift ready. So we're going to still keep the front interior, just focusing on the back and the boot. So we'll see what it gets down to. Alright guys, we're back at the shop. We're going to get into it, rip it all out. Alright guys, so we've ripped everything out. We spent about 20 minutes. Let's have a look inside. We've still got to just cut the carpet and pull the rest of the seat buckles out, but we didn't have the tools. Other than that, everything that you would do as a track car, no one's going to be in the back. And that's everything. So we pulled that, including the spare tyre. So someone had some amp wiring in there, so we pulled that out as well. It's fully race car. We're going to leave the speakers in. Someone's put some bolts in and they're just too difficult to take out. So we're going to leave it in, hook the radio back up so we have beats. That's it. Alright guys, we're back here at Adrian's Scrap Metal to weigh the car after we've stripped it out. So we'll get it in, wait and see how much reduction we've done. Alright guys, we're back from Adrian's Scrap Metal in Molandina. Shout out to them for helping us with the weigh bridge. We've lost 140 kilos out of the back of this. Personally, I'm impressed. That's a big mate of yours in the back that is no longer riding shotgun. So, I don't know if you want to quickly come down and have a look while we install. We've taken off the extra hooks and little bits and pieces. So just in the rear, we have weight gone. So you can use all the power you don't have in your AU to have more fun. So hoping this video helped you guys, just a bit of a comparison of how much weight there actually is versus how much you can remove on a very cheap level, including spare tyre going and stuff like that. So yeah, have a great one. In Australia here, it gets pretty hot sometimes when you're out back. So what do you do if you don't have aircon and it's a bit hot? You take a door with you so you can wipe the window down. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Share it, like it, comment, subscribe. Comments wise, throw some ideas, guys. We'll do whatever we can do. Let us know what you enjoyed about the silver car and where should we go in direction for that car, as we kind of don't know where we want to go with it entirely. But I just want to be able to please you guys. So yeah, have a great one.